How to fix WhatsApp crash on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp crash on Android phone. First go to settings and then scroll down until you find here apps. Click on it and then click apps again, and here you will find here you will find WhatsApp. Click on it and then click force stop and click on it, and now just go to storage, clear cache here, click on it, and that's it. Now just go back, restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Just restart your phone and try again and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.